guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing an accessories haul. I've done something similar. This is just a small lookbook with some of my newest collection. So I want to talk about the other newest collection that I got this time around. And also, if you guys are new on this channel, my name is Magdalene. Nice to meet you. On this channel I talk about fashion, travel and lifestyle. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing to start with because I got one very nice Prada dupe in Nigeria. Yeah, could you believe it? That dupe, I have always wanted it. It's over 2 years right now that I've always desired this dupe, and now I have it. So I can't wait to show you guys in this video. Let's get into this vlog, okay? So guys, I'm going to do the mini unboxing right now, and guess what type of shoe I got? Oh my god, it's so Prada dupe. So if you're a designer freak like me, you know that this designer trend, I've been following it, I've been checking them out. I check them on the online on website. I follow YouTubers that are able to afford it, and I know the latest trend of designer shoes, designer bags to own. And yes, I got a Prada dupe. This I got it down here in Lagos, Nigeria. You know, many people that may be Lagosians don't know that this thing may be a designer. It just know that it's trending. But this one, look at. Like, if you are into designers, you know that this is an imitation of Prada, a Prada shoe, and I love this shoe. This shoe is really cute. You know, it's part of the chunky what do you call it, chunky boot trends. And look at the boot, it's chunky, it's more dad shoes. Then it has a coin purse that you can use. The shoe is my perfect size, it's a perfect fit. I got it here in Lagos. So if you're wondering why I got this shoe at Idumota, and if you're interested in getting it, I will also link it down below. You can also get it on Jumia. I'll share some links so you can get it from Jumia, and also when you are abroad you can get it from Ego Shoes. So this is the second pair, and I'm going to show you in the try on portion where I styled this with. This is my outfit of the day, so you guys are going to see how it looks. Okay, so Ego Shoes is one of the best places I like to shop for designer dupe. They have different variations of designer dupe, designer dupe bags, designer dupe shoes. I mostly check out Ego Shoes whenever I need long-lasting designer dupe handbags and shoes because they have quality and affordable for its price. It's a UK brand, so it's not really sponsored, but I really love this brand because I've always been shopping from them since I discovered them on YouTube, and they have nice pieces. So if you want trendy designers that you know that this is going to be the hottest designer for the year, Ego Shoes will definitely have the dupe version of it. And that place you can get it is Etsy, and that place you can get it in Shein. And I also link down in this video one of my video where I shared all the best places to get designer dupes. Like, if you are into designer dupes and like you're one of us that can't really afford the real deal, but you really like it and you want to have this feel of designer before you eventually are able to afford the real designers, definitely check out Ego Shoes and also Jumia Nigeria. I hope Jumia Nigeria will eventually not start striking people that start selling this, because they don't really accept selling of designer items except Adidas, which is a designer brand too. But this shoe, love it. Another thing I got while shopping for accessories is this bag. You can see it's a pink bag. I've been looking for colorful bags to add to my collection, you know, because I just wanted more pop of colors. Like, colors gives you life, makes you feel like you have, like, it makes you feel happy. It's an instant mood boost. That's how I would say. For me, vibrant colors and white makes me feel so good. So this, I loved it because it's a pink handbag. I saw it also at Oshodi. I cannot believe the price. I'm not going to say it on this video, but it's a very affordable handbag. I've been loving it since I got it, and though it is a very cheap handbag, it may not last as much as the real deal will last, but this is also a dupe of Dial, I guess, because I've not really gotten familiar with this kind of design of a designer bag. But for the fact they wrote Dial, and I had to remove one of them because it was already feeling bad. So this one is really nice. You can style it to get a pop of color in your outfit. So like, when if you're a neutral babe or you're a minimalist and you just don't need something that will give you a pop of color without having actually to wear vibrant colors, because most of us, we find it very difficult to style vibrant colors. So you can go for adding pop of colors to your outfit, which you can do using accessories like handbags and shoes. The colors that you really desire, but you know if you style it, you may just you may end up doing the wrong type of color blocking. Yes, so definitely go for accessories like this. Whenever you wear your all black outfit is good. Whenever you wear your all white outfit, whenever you wear your nude outfit, you can style it with the other vibrant color I want to show you, because pink and nude don't really mix well. But this bag, I can't wait to style it, you know. I also show it in the try on portion with me styling it with this outfit of the day. It's going to color block very well with my outfit, and I'm going to show you guys in this video. Another accessory I got is this blue version of that bag. So you could spot the difference. This is made of a leather strap, and this is made of a chain strap. So I prefer the chain strap more than the leather strap. Like, I will definitely wear this one more than the other one. And you can see this one is still complete, showing dial. So it's the same type of bag. The inside is small. It has a small bag inside where you can put in your small things like keys, like sweets. So this bag I really do love. Like, I saw the different versions in those shows. I was like, no, this one, definitely this one. It's a mini bag, so it doesn't contain much, but it definitely fits in your essentials, like your phone. If your phone is as small as mine, because I use a Samsung phone, which I'm even using to record this video, so you can use a phone here. You can put your earpiece here. You can fit in your ATM cards. You can fit in some small things, including your pen. But what if you're such that a book freak and you want to fit in a book? This will not fit in. Or if you're such that like to fit in a lot of stuff that even that you don't need, because we know most of us ladies, we have a lot in our bag. Like, I have this colleague that she's a go-to for everything you need. You want tissue, she has it in her bag. You want lipstick, she has it. You want perfume, she has it. Like, they fit in so much in their bag. But this one is just for your essentials. So if you're such that want to fit in some major things like lipstick, like your perfume, then your ATM cards, your pen, your essentials, just basic things that you know you need to take to the office, you can use it. And this is a nice party handbag. For me, this is more of a party handbag because of the chain strap. I love the chain strap. And like, if you want to go out and you just want to make a statement with your outfit for a party, I need a very small bag that you just style with your outfit without looking so extra, but you still want to look like you are making effort. This is the bag for you. I love it. The price, figure it out, not that expensive, and it looks like Abba-made. So another accessory that I want to share with you guys is this chunky slippers. When I saw it, I was like, I need this in my life, because the flood around here, the rain sometimes can be so annoying, but you need something higher. Though I can't really vouch that this will not want to pull off whenever your hand does water too much, but this, it's super stylish. It is thick. It's perfect whenever you want to look for something that you're going to wear. Like, just throw on and go. You don't want to stress yourself. You're not thinking too deep of styling my outfit, so like an effortless way of styling your outfit. These shoes is perfect for you. So if you need something easy, you can get this, a simple slip-ons that you can wear whenever you're going for a hangout, or you're going for a beach outing, or you want to just go out and run your normal daily errands. This is perfect for you, and I love it because it's super stylish. You also look very extra, even if you didn't make much effort in it. So these are my latest accessories that I've gotten. I decided to show you guys, so you guys want to see what I've added to the family, the newest addition to the family. So guys, definitely check out the try on portion, because I'm definitely going to style my outfit of the day with this accessory, so you see how they look with outfits. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you love all my fashion content, and definitely check out my playlist for other fashion content that you may have missed. Some summer accessory styling, some lookbook I've done, and if you're a thrift girl, I've done a lot of thrift haul that you will see, and another one is coming up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to 100 likes for your girl. Let's get her out there so people get to see what we are up to in this gang. And definitely subscribe. Subscribing to my gang does not cost you anything. It just enjoy life together. Bye guys.